Today I'm going to give you some simple tips on how to make your stir-fry vegetables more colorful and delicious. So preheat a wok at medium heat. So we're going to put 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. So I use peanut oil, so that's my choice of oil. So about 3 tablespoons. So you can put as much ginger and garlic as you like. I have about 3 tablespoons of sliced ginger and maybe about 8 or 10 whole cloves of garlic. You can put less if you like. It's up to you. So just get a good sear going there. So now I'm going to turn the heat on so you get a nice sear there. So that'll bring out the flavor. That's aromatics, ginger and garlic. So now I'm going to put some onions in there. The reason I'm putting onions is I bought a 50 pound bag of onions for $7.98. Such a deal. So pretty well a lot of dishes over the next little while will have onions in it. So I'll put about 2 onions in there. Just chop it up. So I like to make it fairly small. That way it's faster. You can make the onions even thinner if you like, or you can leave it in bigger chunks. Now I'm going to put some salt in there. So this is the natural sea salt. I like natural salt, sea salt. So put about half a teaspoon in there. So this is a quick stir fry. So bring some color. Add about, I've got a large red pepper, so just throw that in. So basically now during the stay-at-home difficult crisis time, we just cook whatever we have in the fridge. We're just going to add some light soy sauce. So this is light soy sauce, also known as regular soy sauce. So I just add a few types of sauces. So put 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. So now I get the snow peas going in. So snow peas you put in last because they cook really fast. So literally the prep work is the time you spend to cut the onions and the ginger and the garlic. You prepare that. So cooking time is really quick. So I put maybe a tablespoon or 2 of Chinese oyster sauce if you have it. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. And then just before you serve the stir fry here, put about a teaspoon of sesame oil. So this is natural sesame oil. It's not mixed with vegetable oil. So it brings out the aroma and also gives the flavor just before you serve the stir fry here. So that's it. So the veggies, when you cook it on high heat, they'll give a good sear, bring lots of flavor. And the snow peas should be really crispy. That's really tasty.